Welcome to the day 2 out of Master Sanskrit in 7 days. Topics to be discussed today are Pranam, Shabdarupa, Varg and Anuvada. I am your Ishan Sharma here and let's start the class. In Sanskrit, pronouns are called as Sarvanama. Sarvanama is a word used instead of a noun. That's also called as a pronoun. Ramaha patati, Rama reads. Saha patati, he reads. Now, types of pronoun. First person, speaker. Uttama Purusha. Aham, I. Avam, we two. Vayam, we. Second person is known as Madhyama Purusha. He is the listener. Tvam, you, singular. Yuvam, you two. Yuyam, you all. Madhyama Purusha is third person. Masculine, feminine and neuter are the three genders in this. Masculine has Saha. Saha means he. Feminine as Sa. Sa means she. Neuter has Tat. Tat means it. It is a non-living thing or an object or something else. First we have Aham. Aham means I. Mama means me. Maya, by me. Mahyam, to me. Mama, my. Next we have Tvam. Tvam, you. Tvam, you. Tvaya, by you. Tubhyam, to you. Tava, your. Saha, he, masculine. Saha, tam, tena, tasmai, tasya. It is used for female. She, feminine. Sa, tam, taya, tasyaha. Tat, it, neuter. Tat, tat, tena. There are also some special pronouns. Etat, this. Eshaha, this. Esha, this. Etat, this. But the main difference is Eshaha is used for male, Esha is used for female, and Etat is used for neuter. Kim. Kim is used for question. Kaha, who. Ka, who. Kim, what. Kaha is used for male and Ka is used for female. Key rules. These are very important. Pronoun must match gender, linga, number, vachana, case, vibhakti. Quickly recap this. Aham, I. Tvam, you. Saha, sa, etat. He, she, it. Eshaha, this. Kim, what, who. Shabdarupa. What is Shabdarupa? Shabdarupa, different forms of a noun based on its role in a sentence. In Sanskrit, nouns change form depending on case, number and gender. Why is it important? Because Sanskrit does not depend on word order but on endings. Ramaha phalam khadati. Rama eats fruits. Phalam Ramaha khadati. Same meaning. Meaning stays same because of Shabdarupa. Vibhakti, basic idea. Pratama, subject. Example is Rama. Dvitiya, object. Rama as an object. Tritiya, by/with. The work is done by Rama. Chaturthi, to, for. To Rama. Panchami, from Rama. Shashti, of Rama. Saptami, in or on Rama. Please repeat these words with me. Akaranta pullinga shabdah Rama shabdah Ramah Ramau Ramah Ramam Ramau Raman Ramen Ramabhyam Ramaihi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam Rame Ramayoho Rameshu He Ramah He Ramau He Ramah. Akaranta napumsakalinga phala shabdah. Phalam, phale, phalani, phalam, phale, phalani, phalena phalabhyam phalaihi, phalaya phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalat phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalasya phalayoho phalanam, phale phalayoho phaleshu, he phala, he phala, he phalani. You see, after the third vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, everything is similar as pullinga shabda. लता लते लताः लतां लते लताः लतया लताभ्यां लताभिः लतायै लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लतयोः लतानां लतायां लतयोः लतासु. This is आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग लता शब्दः. मुनि शब्दरूप इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः. मुनिः मुनि मुनयः मुनिं मुनि मुनीन् मुना मुनिभ्यां मुनिभिः मुने मुनिभ्यां मुनिभ्यः मुनेः मुनिभ्यां मुनिभ्यः मुनेः मुन्योः मुनीनां मुनौ मुन्योः मुनिषु. हे मुने हे मुनि हे मुनयः. Now we have the pati shabda. You may see this one. This is very similar to muni shabda. नदी शब्द इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग नदी शब्दः. नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु. ऊकारान्त पुल्लिंग भानुशब्दः. भानुः भानु भानवः भानुं भानु भानून् भानुना भानुभ्यां भानुभिः भानवे भानुभ्यां भानुभ्यः भानोः भानुभ्यां भानुभ्यः भानोः भान्वोः भानुनां भानौ भान्वोः भानुषु. Now we have this धेनु शब्द. This is Okaranta Strilinga Shabda. This is very easy. You may see this once. Next, we have a slightly higher Shabda Rupas. Rajan, Nakaranta Pulling. Rajan means king. राजा राजानौ राजानः राजानं राजानौ राज्ञः राज्ञा राजभ्यां राजभिः राज्ञे राजभ्यां राजभ्यः राज्ञः राजभ्यां राजभ्यः राज्ञः राज्ञोः राज्ञां राज्ञी राज्ञोः राजसु. हे राजन् हे राजानौ हे राजानः. Now we have this Atman Shabda. This is very similar to the Rajan Shabda. This is Nakaranta Pullinga, and Rajan Shabda is also Nakaranta Pullinga. You may see this one. Vidwas means scholar. Santa Pullinga. विद्वान् विद्वांसौ विद्वांसः विद्वांसं विद्वांसौ विद्वांसः विदुषा विद्वद्भ्यां विद्वद्भिः विदुषे विद्वद्भ्यां विद्वद्भ्यः विदुषः विद्वद्भ्यां विद्वद्भ्यः विदुषः विदुषोः विदुषां विदुषि विदुषोः विद्वत्सु. हे विद्वान् हे विद्वांसौ हे विद्वांसः. If you learn Sanskrit, one day you will be a vidwan in it. Watch means speech. Shanta Strilinga Shabdah. Vak Vacha Vachah Vacham Vacho Vachah Vacha Vach Vagbhyam Vagbhihi Vache Vagbhyam Vagbhyah Vachah Vagbhyam Vagbhyah Vachah Vachoho Vacham Vachi Vachoho Vachu. He Vak He Vachau He Vachah. Pathin means way or a path. It is Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. It is similar to Rajan Shabda. So you may see this once. Gir means speech. It is a Rikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Gihi, Girau, Giraha, Girim, Girau, Giraha, Gira, Girabhyam, गिरभिः गिरे गिरभ्यां गिरभ्यः गिरः गिरभ्यां गिरभ्यः गिरः गिरोः गिरां गिरि गिरोः गिरिषु. हे गिहि हे गिरौ हे गिरः. Ahan Shabda. Ahan means day. अह अहनी अहानी अहनी अहानी अहना अहोभ्याम अहोभिः अहने अहोभ्याम अहोभ्यः अहनः अहोभ्याम अहोभ्यः अहनः अहनोः अहनाम अहन अहनोः अहंसु. Pious means milk or water. This is a bit easy shabda, so you may see these ones. Next, moving on to Sarvanama Shabdarupa. Sarvanama Shabdarupa means Shabdarupa for pronoun. Starting on with Tat. Pullinga. सह त्यौ ते तं तौ तां तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. सा ते ताः तां ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः तयोः तासां तस्यां तयोः तासु. This only the first two vibhaktis have been repeated. Tatte tani tatte tani. The rest is similar to the pullinga. So I want you to read this by yourself. Means who or what. This note that this is very similar to the shabda which you have learnt just now, the tat shabda pullinga. So go through this yourself. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. का के काह काम के काह कया काभ्यां काभिः कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः कयोः कासां कस्यां कयोः कासु. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. Now moving on to this Napumsakalinga Shabda. किम के कानि केन काभ्यां कैः कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः केषां कस्मिन् कयोः केषु. This is very important. अहम् आवां वयं माम् आवाम् अस्मान् मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः मह्यम् आवाभ्याम् अस्मभ्यं मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् मम आवयोः अस्माकं मयि आवयोः अस्मासु. युष्मत्. This is equally important to the asmat shabda. It means you. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam yuvam yushman. Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi. Tubhyam yuvabhyam yushmabhyah. Tvat yuvabhyam yushmabhyah. Tava yuvayoho yushmakam. Tvayi yuvayoho yushmasu. That etat has the same pattern as tat. Now, moving on to verb. Verb is a word which shows action. In Sanskrit, it is called as Kriyapada. Examples: Patati reads, Gachati goes, Khadati eats, Pibati drinks, Likhati writes, Kridati plays, Vadati speaks, Pashyati sees, Dhavati runs, Tishtati stands, Upavishati sits, Agachati comes. Here are some more important verbs. Gacha means go. Gacha is the dhatu and gachami is a verb. Gachami means I go. Gachasi means you go. Gachati he goes. Khada eat. Khad is a dhatu and khadami, khadasi, khadati are verbs. Khadami I eat. Khadasi you eat. Khadati he eats. Dhaturupa and Lakara will be taught in the next class, means tomorrow's class. Anwad. English to Sanskrit. I eat fruit, aham phalam khadami. You read a book, tvam pustakam patasi. He drinks water, saha jalam pipati. She goes to school, sa vidyalayam gachati. If you had any doubt till now, please be free to ask it in comments. Sanskrit to English now. Aham gachami, I go. Sah phalam khadati, he eats fruit. Sah pustakam patati, She reads a book. Tvam jalam pibasi. You drink water. Anuvad, mixed practice now. Now we'll mix everything. Translate. I see a boy. She eats fruit. He reads a book. You drink water. Now translate it. I hope that you have your answers ready. Now let's see the answers. Aham balakam pashyami. Sa फलं खादति सः पुस्तकं पठति त्वं जलं पिबसि. We have finally completed day 2. विद्या ददाति विनयं विनयात् याति पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति धनात् धर्मं ततः सुखम्. I want you to do this as a homework. Write this shloka in the comment and also its meaning. So now we have completed 2 days out of 7 days. यदि त्वं सम्पूर्णं वीडियोम् अपश्यः तर्हि अहं कृतज्ञः अस्मि.